A vehicle is moving in a straight line. The velocity v meter per second at time t second after the vehicle starts is given by v equals to a bracket t minus 0.5 t square bracket close for time t greater than equals to 0 less than equals to 15, and velocity v equals to b by t square when for t greater than equals to 15. So first one interval is 0 to 15. Here velocity v equals to a bracket t minus 0.5 t square. And when t value greater than equals to 15, here velocity equals to v equals to b by t square, where a and b are constants. The distance traveled by the vehicle between 0 to 15 is 225. That means first interval time, the distance travel is 225 meter. Roman 1, find the value of A and show that B equals to 3,375. So first velocity, the V, we can mention this is V1 equals to A bracket T minus 0.05 T square. Keep in mind here interval is t greater than equals to 0 less than equals to 15. So from velocity, if you want to find out the displacement or distance, s1 equals to integration 0 is the lower limit, 15 is the upper limit, v1 dt. So 0 to 15, v1 equals to a t minus 0.05 t square dt. After that, S1 equals to constant we keep outside, integration 0 15 t minus 0.05 t square dt. Here they gave us the distance is 225 between this interval. So 225 equals to a. If we integrate t, we'll get here t square by 2. So it will be 0.05. It will be t cube by 3, 15 and 0. Now, if we put the upper limit and lower limit, so it will be 15 square divided by 2 minus 0.05, 15 cube by 3. Minus if we put instead of t, the lower limit 0, the whole part will be 0. Now, a, if we simplify, we'll get here a multiplied 225 by 4. The left side it was 225. Now, cross multiplication 225 multiply 4 divided by 225 equals to a. So, a equals to 4. So, a value we get 4. Now, when t equals to 15, here v1 and v2 is equal. Okay. When t equals to 15, the first velocity we mentioned, this is v1, t equals to v2 t. Now, v1 15, when t value 15, both of this equal 15. So in velocity 1, we have to put here in a state of t 15, and we know that a equals to 4 already. 4 here 15 minus 0.05 into 15 square equals to b by, instead of t, 15, so 15 square. Now, if we simplify these things, we will get here b equals to 3,375. So our number 1 completed. Number 2, We want to find an expression in terms of t for the total distance traveled by the vehicle when t greater than equals to 15. So when t greater than equals to 15, that's time velocity v2 t equals to here b by t square. So b is here 3375. Instead of t square, you can write t to the power minus 2. Now, if we want to find out the distance, we have to integrate this. So S2 equals to integration of V2 dt. So 3375 integration t to the power minus 2 dt. So we'll get here 3375 to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So S equals to minus 3375 to the power minus 1 means 1 by t plus c. So when t equals to 15, the distance was 225. So when t equals to 15, S equals to 225. So we have to put S equals to 25 over there. So 225 equals to minus 3375 by t plus c. So here t value is 15. Now if we simplify, we'll get here 225 plus 3375 by 15 equals to c. From here, if we calculate, we'll get here c equals to 450. If we calculate this, we'll get here c equals to 450. Now we want the expression. We want the expression in terms of t for the total distance traveled when t 15. So c equals to 450. We'll put equation 1 here. So from here we'll get S equals to, instead of c, we'll write here 450 minus 3375 by t. So this is the total distance with respect to time in terms of t meter. So our Roman 2 completed. Roman 3, find the speed of the vehicle when it has traveled a total distance 350. So when total distance 315, we have to put over there. So from here we have to find out the time. 450 minus 3375 by t. So 3315 minus 450 equals to minus 3375 by t. It will be minus 135 equals to minus 3375 by t. Minus minus cancel. So t equals to 3375 by 135. So it will be 25 seconds. Now, if we want to find out the velocity, so this displacement we have to differentiate. V equals to differentiate displacement with respect to time. So we'll get here 0 minus 3375 minus 1 to the power minus 2. So it will be plus 3375 by t square. So velocity equals to 3375 by t square. What do we want? We want the speed when time is 25 seconds. So when t equals to 25 seconds, we have to put this value in equation 2. So v equals to 3375 25 square, so it will be 5.4 meter per second. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you all.